This is MORTRIX. MORTRIX is a new MIDI controller that does everything you expect from a MIDI controller and a lot more, while being very easy to use. The big touchscreen allows for direct editing of scenes, presets, and all your MIDI commands, and it gives a great overview of what's going on when you're performing. On the first page we have a list of our scenes. It's empty right now, so let's tap the plus button and we get a new scene, and if we tap that, we open it up, and we can see we have 6 slots corresponding to these 6 foot switches, and in each of those slots I can select to add a preset, and now I have a preset here that can either be activated or deactivated. The preset doesn't do anything right now, so if we open it up we can see we can send messages when we activate, when we deactivate the preset, and in response to expression pedal input. For now, let's say when I activate the preset, I would like to also activate this pedal over here. And I can either select a MIDI command and set up the MIDI command to do what I would like to do, if I know what that is. Or I can go into the device library, select the pedal I would like to control. In this case, it's a Chase Bliss CXM 1978. And select the function I would like to control. So now I can simply select on or off, and if I activate live mode, I can see the effect in real time. Now it's on, now it's off. So what we would like to do when we turn the preset on is also to turn the pedal on. Similarly, when I turn the preset off, I would like to also turn the pedal off. So I could go into the deactivate tab and find the function again, or I can copy it from in here, do a long press, say copy, go into deactivate, paste it, and change it from on to off. I'm still in live mode, so the pedal turned off. And now, when I use my preset, the pedal turns on and off in sync with that. The next thing I would like to do is to have my expression pedal control the pre-delay on my pedal over here. So we go back into the preset, we go to expression 1, which is where this pedal is attached, and I select again the function on this pedal I would like to control. In this case it's the pre-delay, we have that here, and then I can set the range of my pedal travel I would like to use and the range of MIDI values I would like to control it. So when I move my pedal, I can control that in this instance it goes from MIDI value 32 to MIDI value 104, and it only moves in the middle part of the pedal travel, and I can move it out to a simple straight line. I can also choose a curve. Let's say I wanted to behave like this instead. Right? So this is now part of my preset. So when I turn the preset on, I have expression control. When I turn the preset off, I don't. For my next preset, I'm going to do something a bit more advanced. So first I exit the scene, I go into the global settings, and I enable the full UI mode. Go back into the scene, add a new preset, open the preset, and now we see, among other things, I have a while active tab here. I can go into that, and in here I can add either an envelope or an LFO. I'm going to choose the LFO, open it up, and of course I can control the rate. I can also control the waveform, set the duty cycle and the phase, and then I can add MIDI messages to this LFO. And in this case I'm going to control the mix level on the CXM. So let's find mix, it's here. I can reduce the range if I don't want it to go all the way from 0 to 127, but for now I'm just going to leave it. We go back out and I activate the preset, and we see the LFO is driving the mix level here. Now maybe I only want this to happen while I'm holding down the foot switch. So we go back into the preset and the preset settings, and we change the activation mode to momentary. And we can also change the activation color just for fun. So while I'm holding down the foot switch, the LFO is running. When I release, it stops. Press it again and it continues where it left off. And this works in parallel with the other preset. So I still have my expression control and activation, deactivation of the pedal. And then I can bring this in on top whenever I feel like it. So that was a very brief overview of some of the things MORTRIX can do. If you want to know more, visit the website mortrix.io or check back later for more videos.